Let's go from this to this beautiful creation. So yet again, I found another sticker bombed piece of furniture on the side of the road, and I thought this was a beautiful piece and I couldn't pass it up. I began with stripping that finish off of the piece, and I came to realize soon that the whole piece was not actually real wood, so I did run into a couple problems. The pieces that were not real wood became very rough because the stripper irritated the surface, but then I soon found a solution to my problem. I actually found this wooden lattice fencing, and I thought it would be so cute to put on the sides. So I just cut the pieces down to size and then used some wood glue to attach it. I've been wanting to add this lattice to a piece for so long, but just never knew the right time, and this was definitely it. After it was all secured, I just went along the edges with some sandpaper just to smooth out any rough edges and then gave it a good clean. Then it was time to paint the piece, and I'm painting it this very light gray color. I applied my paint using a roller just so I could get the smoothest finish. The top of this desk is a very plasticky feel to it because the top is not real wood, so I'm using chalk paint because that adheres to almost anything so well. Painting the lattice portion of the piece was definitely a little time consuming to get in all the little crevices, so I definitely would recommend to paint the base first, attach the fencing, and then paint the fencing over top. I'm leaving the drawers the natural wood color that they are because that is where I'm going to place my stencils. I'm using this very large floral stencil and I'm applying it to all the drawers at the same time. I just used some spray adhesive and my roller and just rolled it on the front of the drawers. Using one large stencil on the multiple drawers really just makes them all go in unison, but they're all a little bit different. I then decided to paint my knobs this dark navy blue color, because I thought that the gray had a very cool tint to it. Then I just attached the knobs and the piece was finished, and I am so happy with how it came out. The lattice fencing honestly complements the floral stencil so nicely. It's almost like those vines could intertwine in that fence. This piece is definitely unique to say the least. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.